Cub Cadet. He's getting an upgrade. New blades, new deck savers, new spindles. Oh, goodness gracious. And I even like these ones. They got a grease fitting. Who'd have thunk it? Always put that grease fitting where you can reach it. Now, I'm gonna never seize these bolts with that stuff. And you know, you get it everywhere. You're gonna have it everywhere. But anyways, I'll be back. Oh, going a little overkill here. Nope, not reverse, not reverse. Oh, out of the way. Woohoo. That's a little big hammer. Easy. Probably tear right through this deck. Woo. Easy. Bust them nuts right off. Bolts right off. Yeah, that's probably good. Well, easy, easy. And I'm telling you what, that is one heck of a hammer for this. A little much. Got her jacked up. She is definitely jacked up. Oh, here we go again on another one. Let's see. We can get this thing done. Yee. Don't want that ring to fall. Easy, killer. Make this deck reform itself after she just about helicoptered off this deck. That's all I can tell you. And I'm so glad I found these deck savers on Amazon. They're fabricated. Boy, she's gonna fly better than Cletus's helicopter. Get in there. While you're home. Another one. I love this. It's got grease fittings. Look at that. Grease fittings. I love it. I wonder if she's got enough torque to take that big nut right off without even holding on to it. That's friggin' helicoptering. That's dangerous. Hold on a second, I gotta find a piece of wood. There, you got a piece of wood in there. Well, that ain't good. Hold on there, Bessie. Oh, it's spinning everything. Oh, she's so loose. Take her off my hand. Get out of here. Now we're gonna try to take this old one off. Let's see if we can get it this one. No, we can't get it that one. We'll try this one. All right, let's get it that one. Get on there. So we get that to take off. Okay, well, we're gonna try to take it off. Either that, she'll snap him right off. She's got so much power. Oh, look at that. Come right out of there. What the? Can we get that one? Get that one. The other one didn't come off like that. Well, that was snapped. See how much power this thing's got? Just focus here. Oh, there you go. All right, see if we can get this other one. Get that over there. Just come on. Nope, don't like it. Get on there. What's wrong with you? Oh yeah, snap that one right off. Good, good. Taking this wonderful cover off. Ratchet wrench in there. Get after it. Oh, long-winded. This thing off. What the frick is this? We got friggin' mice and babies? Oh no. What is going on here? I need a bucket. Here we go. What is going on here? I just hope it's just grass. Oh, it's just built up, I think. Phew. What is this? Holy, I really got after it again. Phew. I thought I was going to see something crawl out of here and jump at me. Yeah. Put the old looby-dooby on there. Let's see if we can do this without getting the whole garage covered in this anti-seize. Because you know, aluminum and steel do not like each other. I find the hole. Get in there. Look at that. I didn't get it threaded in. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. I'm doing perfect videography in here. Golly. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Where's the hole? Get it in there. Just, yeah. Get in there. Oh, hold on a second. I'm getting this never sees everywhere. Oh, this job is almost complete. Getting it. No, get it there. Yeah. Easy. Ring your dinghy falling down there. Whoa. This hammer's just a little much for this. Couple of ringy dingy, she's good to go. Easy. Whoa. Get that canut. Get in there. Oh, holy cow. This motor deck is really brand new. I'll definitely be taking off with it like Cletus's helicopter. Look at that. I'm telling you. Never sees it. It's almost complete. Well, I was gonna put these new nuts on that I just got. And it's probably gonna be hard to see. Well, I don't even have any threads. None. But you can tell these ones do. Thread. No thread. Shiny, wedding band type. What the heck? Threads on that one? Threads on that one? No threads on that one. Oh, China. China. Look at the work of art of this. This is sweet. Nice. All brand new spindles. Put the old nut on there. Oh, kind of depressing. You buy some nuts. China decided to give you ones that don't have any threads. What the heck is up with that? I know. You gotta get it on the little coggy cog, but being a photographer and a half-ass mechanic, you know. It's almost done. Oh, backyard mechanic back again. Get out of there. Oh, I hate using the old canuts. Friggin' China. China. Get in there. We'll have to tighten him up later. Look at that. Belt's all on. Oh, the dirty deck. Oh, she is smiling. Oh, back again. Last of it. Can I do it? What the heck? I got friggin' paper towel wrapped in it. Get out of there. There's the hole. Find the hole. Get her. Hurry up. Did I get it in there? Is that really in the cog? Did I? I got it in one shot. Are you kidding? I got it. She's a little loose. Yeah. There, perfect. The only thing is these things in line should, you know, one balance out the other one, hit the other one. Oh no, they're good. I don't know. Maybe I'll get them all forward. And then when they take off, they can figure out what they're doing. All right, I'm done with this project. See ya.